doctors ready?
Yeah.
Great. Frame all good. All yours.
All right. Scene 19A, take 1. Action.
And line in.
So, the short answer on how to treat your ulcer is this. Don't smoke. Avoid anti-inflammatories like aspirins, ibuprofen. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. And avoid certain foods. I can prescribe antibiotics and medicine to help control the acid. There are foods and supplements that can, like probiotics, can help with the stomach lining and with the absorption of the antibiotics.
Okay, I'll take the antibiotics and the acid blockers.
Okay, well, that was the short answer. I'd like to talk to you about the bigger picture. First, quitting smoking. Have you thought about it?
Yeah, I'm really good at quitting. Done it about 10 or 12 times.
Well, I can assure you that smoking is something that is going to make your ulcer worse. Would you be willing to talk about smoking cessation plans?
Sure.
Well,
What'd you have in mind?
there are a number of options. I can ask someone from our behavioral health team to work with you. We find a combination of things helps, but it's really only effective if you are ready to quit.
Yeah, why not? I'll try it.
Sorry.
Cool. Cost of cigarettes. What's your motivation?
Oh.
Yeah, because I didn't give you the right cue.
That's okay.
It really
That's
only
okay.
helps if you're motivated to start.
That's okay.
That was hot. All good.
Oh, good.
That's all hot. So
Good.
let's take it from I'm really good at quitting because that's a good line, energy
Okay.
line to jump off. Take a look at when you guys.
Some B-roll that's come when they
Yeah.
brochure at the
Well,
end. Yeah.
I made that
Yeah.
note too.
Yeah.
Maybe let's make sure we get the yellow brochure and B-roll.
Okay.
Thanks.
I don't remember when I handed it.
Don't you worry, it's not your
Sorry. Okay.
We'll make it up.
So let's take it from, like I said, I'm good at quitting.
Have you handed me this yet?
You have that
That
now?
you
Okay,
have,
cool.
definitely.
Okay.
Same roll, do you want to redo?
This is B.
B.
19B?
It's good to have you back, Heather.
B. When you're ready.
So good at my job. Alright. Scene 19B, take 1. Action.
And line in.
Oh, I'm good at quitting. I've done it about 10 or 12 times.
Well, I can assure you that smoking is going to make your ulcer worse. Would you be willing to talk about smoking cessation plans?
What'd you have in mind?
Well, there are a number of options. I'd ask someone from our behavioral health team to talk with you. We find a combination of things is best, but really what works is you have to have the motivation to quit.
Oh, I'm motivated to quit, believe me. The cost of cigarettes is what motivated me. But, I mean, I want to quit, but nothing has really worked so far, so.
I hear that. And I don't want to make empty promises. We have a great program and even better support. It's going to take some time and come down to what you're willing to try.
Okay, I'll try it.
Good. I know it's possible. Do you believe it's possible?
I'm sure. I've heard it said. I mean, anything's possible, right?
Now, let's talk about the other variables with your ulcer. There are a lot of things that may cause an ulcer, and dealing with relationship stress and violence is one of those things.
Look, we've already talked about that, and I said I'm fine.
I respect that you don't want to talk about that right now. I just want to say that the stress may or may not be related to how you drink, and it's possible that the alcohol itself is causing your ulcer, in which case it's likely to come back.
Okay, so
It's possible that the alcohol is not even causing the ulcer, but so far nothing has shown up in your labs to indicate otherwise. In any case, what you drink is definitely one of the reasons why your ulcer is as bad as it is.
Okay, cut, please. Let's go back. Good. Solid, solid, solid. Watch the wet of the paper because
Oh, okay.
it's a big.
Yep.
It picks up.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So I want you to hold it because it's for continuity.
Yep.
Until you want to get rid of it, but just be careful with sound on that.
Okay.
And we're gonna do 2 on this. We'll pick it up the same place in there. And what else was I gonna say?
That's that I'm good at quitting.
We're starting at I'm good at quitting.
Yeah, same, just for continuity for pickup there. And I'm thinking we may want to go in.
You ready for go close?
Yeah, go
Okay,
close
perfect.
in on him
Great.
for this.
I'd love to.
Great. And when you have your shot, let us know.
Oh, and I take this back. Thank you.
I take it.
I take it all back.
Yes. Great. Yes. That's good.
A little
So
bubble.
that's yeah,
Yeah.
solid.
With
Solid.
that. There you go.
Good.
Boom.
All right.
Hold on.
Cameras are
Let's
ready.
go. I'm ready.
Okay. Actors ready. All yours. Okay.
Scene 19B, take 2. Action.
Oh, I'm good at
Line-
quitting.
And
Oh,
line
sorry.
in when you're ready.
Yep. Oh, I'm good at quitting. I've done it about 10 or 12 times.
Well, I can assure you that smoking is something that makes your ulcer worse. Would you be willing to talk about smoking cessation plans?
Sure, I'll give it a try.
There are a number of options. I'd ask someone from our behavioral health team to talk to you, and we find a combination of things is best, but it's really only effective if you're motivated to quit.
Oh, I'm motivated to quit. The cost of cigarettes enough alone was to do that. Sorry.
All right.
Ugh. Okay.
It's still rolling.
Okay.
That's another option.
All right. I'm motivated to quit. The cost of cigarettes. Ugh.
Do you want to look at it?
No.
Give yourself enough space so we have a clean cut.
Okay.
Start your line.
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, the cost of cigarettes alone was enough to motivate me to quit. Look, I want to quit. Just nothing has worked so far.
I hear that. And I don't want to make empty promises. We have a great program and even better support. It's going to take some time and come down to what you're willing to try.
All right, I'll try it.
Good. I know it's possible. Do you believe it's possible?
I've heard it said. I guess anything is possible.
All right, so now let's talk about the other variables with your ulcer. There are a lot of things that can cause an ulcer, and dealing with relationship stress and abuse is one of them.
Look, we already talked about that, and I told you that I am fine.
I respect that you don't want to talk about this right now. I just want to say that stress may or may not be related to how you drink, and it's possible that alcohol itself is causing your ulcer. In which case, it's likely it will come back. It's possible too that alcohol is not at all causing this. There's nothing in your lab where.
Okay, good. That's cool there. Good.
We got a ton of him
you
listening
got it good?
and
All right.
talking.
And what I'm hoping is that we can get a few of these lines that, like the impossible stuff that you're not down, and that we can pick them up from Dave in there. Do you need an adjustment on the shop for some of those? Okay, great. So let's pick it up from,
Do you want to get close on her this time?
Yeah,
or does
sure,
Dave have
sure.
her, or-
yeah,
Oh,
it'd be nice to have both.
Okay, yeah. I can get close on her. And then also, you can't forget to do, I want some more B-roll, the
Yes.
diagram of the poster.
Yes, we shall do that.
Just so we don't forget. So, and then here's her talking about.
Okay.
Did you ever work at a diner in Old Port?
We're gonna pick it up, Maeve, from
I used to work at a snug.
Tim's line. The cost of cigarettes is usually what motivates me to stop.
Okay.
Okay.
19C.
Right at her face.
And
If you want to.
Tim,
All about what you're
Derek, can
willing
you
to try.
change your last relationship thing to not right now?
Okay.
Because it means that opens the door that you will be open to it,
For-
and she's
Okay.
not just being a.
We already talked about this. I don't want to talk about it right now.
We've talked about that.
Yes.
Just not right now,
Okay.
or just not right now.
Okay.
Great.
We're good.
Okay.
Motivates is what we're
Yeah.
saying.
Scene 19C, take 1. Action.
And line in.
The cost of cigarettes is what usually motivates me to stop. Look, I'm ready to quit. Nothing has really worked so far.
I hear that, and I don't want to make empty promises. We have a great program and even better support, but it really comes down to what you're willing to try.
I'll give it a try.
Hold. And we're not going to cut in here, but if you would go get the line, Rachel, and then look
Yeah.
up to deliver it, and don't worry about the space in between.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, great.
And give him
I'm
enough.
gonna go with some close.
Okay, great. And give him enough like full on
Yeah.
beat so that we have a good edit cut in there.
You got
Need
it.
Carry
Okay.
on. I hear that maybe.
Good. I know it's possible. Do you believe it's possible?
I guess. I've heard it said. Anything is possible.
So,
Okay, well please can you do it again? But
more time.
don't fish for the line while he's talking because you're in the shot.
thank you.
Yeah.
And could you use
Is
your
that right?
pointer? You were using your right hand as a tool.
Oh, am I in the shot? Is it in the shot?
Yeah, I'm looking instead. Now you're pointing at your line, so if you could use your hand as that. So
Okay.
That's it. Perfect.
Thank
like
you.
you just did there. That's
Got it.
Yep. Because I got you
Was
close,
I
Dave
right
got you
in
close,
that
and now I'm doing
she's-
cutaways to go
Yeah,
in.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Word.
Okay. So yeah, Rachel, if you'd stay engaged with him for the completion of
And
his
then
line,
look
and
down,
then
get it,
fish.
and come
Yeah.
back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll give us a cleaner edit. And rolling action.
Motivates. The cost of cigarettes is what usually motivates me to stop. I want to quit. Nothing has worked so far.
I hear that. And I don't want to make false promises. We have a great program here and even better support, but it's going to come down to what you're willing to try.
All right. I'll give it a try.
Good. Wait, sorry.
Yeah, beautiful beat.
Good. I know it's possible. Do you believe it's possible?
Sure, I've heard it said. I guess anything is possible, right?
Try using your right hand a little more.
So now let's talk about the other variables with your ulcer. There are a lot of things that can cause ulcers, and dealing with the stress of a relationship or violence is one of them.
Oh, sorry. Is that fine?
Dish it to him one more time so he can give you the not right now.
Not right now, yeah.
Okay.
And gesture hands.
So now let's talk about the other variables of an ulcer. There are a lot of things that can cause an ulcer, and dealing with the stress of a relationship or violence is one thing.
I don't want to talk about this. Not right now.
Okay, this is a whole monologue here. All right. I'll try to do as many lines up as I can and just go back down with beats.
Yep.
Okay. I respect you not wanting to talk about it right now. I just want to tell you that stress might be one of the things that I respect that you don't want to talk about it right now. I just want you to know that stress might be one of the things that cause you to drink. It's also possible that alcohol is causing your ulcer, in which case it will just come back. It's also possible that alcohol is not causing your ulcer at all. There's nothing in the labs to indicate it's anything else. In any case, what you drink, in any case, what you drink is definitely one of the reasons the ulcer is as bad as it is. That's the end of that.
Good, great, good. I think that will give us the
Yay.
space, right?
You get a knife.
Great.
Tension is real.
So,
Puzzle.
I think